Today I'm going to show you how to make an Instant Pot hamburger potato casserole. So I turn my Instant Pot to the saute setting and I added in a pound of ground beef, and I'm just breaking it up with a wooden spoon. And then I chopped up an onion, kind of just a rough chop, and I'm adding that in. And I'm going to let that brown up for about 5 minutes till it's cooked through. Now this beef was kind of greasy, so I'm pushing it all to the side, and then I'm kind of using paper towels to sop up any grease. And I usually use really lean ground beef, but for whatever reason I didn't this time. So a lot of grease that I'm getting with those paper towels, and that is a great method. It works really well. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a dash of smoked paprika. And then I'm going to pour in half a cup of water and just scrape that bottom of the pot. There's some brown bits that were sticking, so I'm just going to scrape those really good. Now I'm adding in half a teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon beef base. You can also just do half a cup of beef broth if that's what you have. And then I've sliced up a pound of potatoes, and I kept the skins on, but you don't have to. You can peel if you'd like. And I'm just placing them in the pot, but not right on top of each other, so they cook correctly. And I sprinkled a little bit of salt on those potatoes, and now I'm just scooping in a can of cream of mushroom soup over the top. And we're not going to stir. We're just going to put the lid right on top. And then we're only going to pressure cook this because the potatoes were thinly sliced for 1 minute. Now you're going to want a natural pressure release for 5 to 10 minutes, and then take the lid off and gently stir. I'm kind of just folding in that sauce. And then I have grated up some sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm going to let that melt on top. I'm going to put the lid on just so it can melt faster and easier. And you can see the finished product. Just a comforting bowl of meat and potatoes, creamy, cheesy deliciousness. I hope you like this recipe. And if you wouldn't mind, I would love a like and a subscribe. Thanks so much for being here. Bye-bye.